Allah, who is most almighty and most merciful. So in this video, the tutorial of MongoDB. The introduction. The MongoDB is and what I am going to tell you in this video. MongoDB is a database website that helps us to create database and put things in the database. That helps us to create best website with the backend things. The MongoDB backend. Let's go. First of all, we will download the MongoDB in Google in our PC. First of all, click here and write here MongoDB. Enter. Only MongoDB, not the shell. Write here MongoDB and then download MongoDB. Click here, write here MongoDB download. After writing it, you will be come in the MongoDB community server download. Click it and simply you have to come down and download this folder. There will be the alters and you install MongoDB alters. After doing that will be downloaded. Come back, download MongoDB asset, download. Come down and download MongoDB shell. Install MongoDB asset. Come down and simply go down and write MongoDB download center. Click it. And there will be MongoDB shell. Wait, go back, go. Okay, now you can download it from here like this. After downloading these two folders, you will be coming in your folder. After coming in your folder, you will be have these two folders. Only one folder, MongoDB assets, and the number 2 I had done I will show you in the documents. I had done MongoDB folder and MongoDB assets. Put the assets in the MongoDB. Open it. There is my 2 folder, MongoDB assets and MongoDB server. Come in the MongoDB assets and in the bin. Simply copy this. After copying this, you will be able to come here in the edit the system environment variables. You will wait and come here in the environment variables and you will be come here in the new and paste the variable. I have pasted MongoDB shell. MongoDB shell. Simply close it. Oh, you have to OK it. After doing these things, what you will do, you will come here in the bin again. Click to the Mongo asset. You will be wait. And the MongoDB assets will be open in 1 minute. After opening it, you will be good. Please enter MongoDB connection string default MongoDB. You have to write MongoDB. Enter. Current location will be here and then let's go. Start your MongoDB here. Simply close it. Open here MongoDB Compass. After opening MongoDB Compass, you are able to done. You have done the introduction and how to download MongoDB. Now what you will do, you will after doing MongoDB Compass, MongoDB in the shell, you will be connect to what? The VSCODE. How to connect to the VSCODE? So simply stop. We will wait. Come here in the start button. Type here. No, you are not going to type. Come here. Go to the desktop. Create a new folder. folder will be renamed by and rename it with what the MongoDB course tutorial enter. After doing this, left click here, show more option, open with the code. After opening with the code, that's not the necessary to do in the VSCODE. You can do Sublime Text or the MongoDB here. Minimize it. Now what you can do, you have to be wait for opening the VSCODE in your PC. As you can see here, the VSCODE has been downloaded. Open it with the full screen. There we go. And the compass is open too. But we need first of all the MongoDB. And the compass you can do it on the compass too. Like this. Close it and simply you have to paste here. Click to the connect. It's connecting and connecting to the localhost, and it's connected now. There will be admin config local. We will be use this. After that, first of all comes here and you have to download one extension on, that is MongoDB. And the MongoDB, click here the MongoDB for VSCODE and simply install it for your MongoDB. Add an extension. That will be start under 5 to 6 seconds and 1 minute. So we will wait for opening that. And we will be discuss about the MongoDB compass. And compass that helps us to create database and my queries. My queries is what database and the queries. So now we can create what the database is. How create plus create a database with the collection and done. It's downloaded. Close this. Come here in the MongoDB. Add connection. We will connect. Wait. Save connection. Connected. Localhost connected. There we go. The admin. Close it. Simply go to terminal. I come here and create one more MongoDB. We can create the cluster and do more things. Here, what we will do? We will create here use use Subhan. I will wait for the answer. Right, not here. I will do here in the MongoDB asset, and in tomorrow video we will learn more things of MongoDB. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.